Now we're gonna show you how to change out your blade in your K71 finger knife. The great part about this handle is that it is compatible with other blades, but today we're gonna show you how to switch out your number 11 blade for your number 16 stencil edge blade. So what you're gonna do first is grab the knurl and twist away from you. It'll release the 4-jaw aluminum chuck so you can take your blade out. Grab your next blade and put it inside that 4-jaw aluminum chuck. Then you're going to twist the knurl towards you, and now your blade is secure and you're ready to cut.